This video is sure to upset a few people, but trust me, I'm not doing this to create a war because for whatever reason the gaming community is just extremely hostile. But you have my word, I will be making another video in the near future covering the opposite. Let's talk about it.
Gotta get it. I've been playing with the minutes that they been shoulda gave, and I'm flipping every digit that they been shoulda paid.
Hello guys, how are you? My name is David Franco, and welcome to a very interesting video topic. Today's video is all about 5 reasons why PC gaming is better than console gaming. Okay, so before we get into this, I do want to make something very clear, and I kind of referenced this in my intro. In the near future, I will be making another video, just talking about 5 reasons why console gaming is better than PC gaming. So yeah, that's just my way of keeping things fair because I am not a believer whatsoever in PC Master Race. PC Master Race, I'm sorry, is for douchebags. It's fake. It doesn't exist. It's something somebody made up at some point in the past and it just kind of stuck. I think PC Master Race is completely stupid. I think anything Master Race is stupid. Everything has a purpose in life. So let's talk about it. So for this video, let's just focus on why PC gaming is better than console gaming. Starting with number 1. You have complete freedom to build what you truly want. Unlike consoles, you can literally choose each and every parts. This goes for your case, which is a very personal decision. Me personally, I love NZXT. I have a very simple case. Check it out right below in kits, as well as your processor, your GPU, your motherboard, your RAM, any additional peripherals, your webcam, your keyboard, mouse, even your desk. You have complete freedom to build the ultimate gaming rig. It's totally up to you, and that's the beauty of PC gaming, is freedom. I don't think anybody can argue that. Oh, and of course, I cannot forget to mention RGB lights. Who doesn't like lights? Number 2, simply put, Steam. Now, I think everybody loves Steam, right? I mean, Steam is just incredible. Granted, it doesn't have every single game like the new releases, such as Black Ops 4, because sometimes, money talks and it goes on Battle.net. And then we have Origin for games like Battlefield and whatever. But for the most part, Steam has pretty much, 95% of the game selection that we need. And guys, that's a beautiful thing. And unfortunately, you don't get that kind of selection on consoles. Yeah, you have the Xbox Marketplace and this PlayStation Store and Nintendo Switch Online, which is great. I mean, they're getting better and better each day. But nobody can argue. Steam has the biggest selection of games possible. From AAA titles that cost, $60, all the way down to indie titles that you haven't even heard of for like 99 cents. Don't always focus on those AAA titles. There's nothing wrong with playing random games like King Oddball. Believe me, you're likely missing out on hundreds or possibly thousands of games that you've never taken the time to find. So, after this video, open up Steam, explore it, and see what's out there. And of course, we also have, Battle.net, Origin, Uplay, Bethesda. Again, that's the beauty of PC gaming. Going back to number 1, we have the freedom, not only in regards to hardware, but especially software, aka the games. Twitch. Number 3, keyboard and mouse. Probably gonna upset a few people when I say this, and I don't mean this personally, I cringe when I see people using a controller in shooters like Siege on PC. Now, there's nothing wrong with controllers on console because, believe me, I was there for a very, very long time, and I'm still there occasionally, but I do most of my gaming nowadays on PC. But when you go from controller to keyboard and mouse, you are truly, truly expanding upon just like everything from movement to speed, especially speed. You just cannot compare whipping your mouse to using little analog sticks. And of course, accuracy. When it comes down to accuracy, simply put, nothing even comes close to using a mouse. And yeah, I realize there are pro players out there in Call of Duty on the PS4 and Xbox and whatever, and that's great. But you just cannot compare to the accuracy of keyboard and mouse. However, with that said, controllers do have their place. Example number 1, when it comes to moving, I think it's a little more accurate using sticks because you can kind of tilt it a little bit. Whereas with, a keyboard, you're Wing, like step, step, step. Whereas with a console, you can just be like this, go a little forward, which I honestly do miss a little bit in games like Siege when I'm trying to peek through a little Maverick hole that I make. Okay, so is this a game breaker? No, but it's definitely something I miss on occasion. Example number 2, controllers on PC are perfect for platformers. I do not recommend playing a game like Ori and the Blind Forest or anything that requires 3D roaming with accurate jumps and platforming and all that stuff on a keyboard and mouse. I mean, yeah, it's possible, but me personally, I think controller wins in that regard. Reason number 4 why PC gaming is better than console gaming. You get the best possible experience. Hey, if you have the money to get yourself a 2080 Ti, why not? Use that money, upgrade your PC, and pretty much max out your game settings. I mean, I play my games on max for the most part. You know, max, ultra, whatever video game developers gonna call it, high sometimes. But yeah, I mean, I gotta say this. PC gaming looks so much better than console gaming. And if you don't believe me, play Blackout on PC, then go to Blackout on PS4 or Xbox. Completely different experience. And of course, this includes frame rates. I mean, you simply cannot play console games higher than 60 frames per second. Hence why I love my 144Hz monitor so much. These Dell displays absolutely kill it. And I'll link them right below. Check them out. Treat yourself. Thank me later. And reason number 5, this goes for Twitch streamers like myself. Going the PC route is simply the best option when it comes to streaming. Console streaming is fun. Believe me, I was there. Streaming on Xbox One, whew, what a pain in the ass. Streaming on PS4, it's a little easier, but I'm going to say it again, nothing compares to the PC experience. With PC, you have complete freedom. You can customize your face cam, you can use overlays, and yes, you can even play your console games on PC and stream them. That's honestly the best way of going about it. I mean, even if you're not into PC gaming, at least get yourself an affordable streaming PC, hook up your PS4, Xbox, and Switch to a capture card like I do, and then just game and stream that way. There's nothing wrong with that. And then, well, who knows, maybe later down the line you'll get into PC gaming. So guys, there you have it. Those are my 5 reasons why I believe PC gaming is better than console gaming. Quick recap. Number 1, freedom. Number 2, Steam. Number 3, keyboard and mouse. Need I say more? Number 4, the best possible experience in terms of like textures, frame rates, and all that stuff. And number 5, it's the best route if you're serious about streaming. So, with that said, if you want to check out my gaming rig right below, it's right there. Kit, check it out. I appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. And stay tuned for my next video, which will be all about 5 reasons why console gaming is better than PC gaming. Yeah, that's sure to generate some interesting feedback. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Peace.
Swish, she got vision just like any women giving me the kitten. Way before the riches, nothing more to mention. I could light a block up high to aura glisten. Boring on my body, that's a Gora linen. I came through dripping Aquafina, I'm sipping 15, kept a weapon on me. Blow make bitches, I'm on my business, stack chicken like what it's gon' be.